Okay, in this second video in relation to 3D modelling the boat, I'm going to demonstrate how to put all the different parts of the boat together. So that's the hull, the funnel and the flagpole. So I'm going to go to File and New, but unlike as I've been doing before, we normally go into the standard part file. We're going to go into the assembly files so we can actually put all the parts together. So it's still the standard but it's Inventor assembly file. So if I double click on it, it will take me to a page which is a little bit different to what you're used to. So up at the top it's got place and create. We've already made all the parts of the boat, so we're going to click on place. And then I go and find where I saved my different parts. So I've got them in a folder called boat, and I'm going to start by bringing in the hull first. Okay, and open. So attached to your cursor now will be the hull. So if you click once, what it'll do is it'll position a boat there, but then you'll have a second one attached to your cursor. We don't want to, so we just hit escape to get rid of that. And all I'm doing is using the viewing cube to get it back to a view that looks like the front of the boat. Okay, so that's me got the hull in, and I'm just going to use the same technique, place, to bring in the funnel. So I'm only going to bring one part in at a time. So the funnel, I'll click. Again, I've got another one attached, so I'll hit escape to get rid of that. And I'm now wanting to try and put that into the hole which is in the boat. Now I could be there forever trying to do that and get them all perfectly lined up. But Inventor has got a technique which is called constraining them together. Now when you constrain something, you stop them moving, and that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to try and stop this funnel from moving about. So if I click on constraint, a little sub-menu appears. Now there are 5 different options. There's mate, there's an angular constraint, a tangent, an insert and a symmetry. Most often we will always use the mate, or we will use the insert. As it's something that's round and it's going into a round hole, we are going to use the insert command here. So I'm going to click on insert. It gives me 2 options. It gives me opposed or aligned. I'm going to be using opposed, which it defaults to in this case. So I'm going to go near the bottom of the funnel and I click on that bottom edge, and what it does is it finds the centre axis of the funnel and the bottom edge at the same time. So I click on it, and then I go to the hole that I want to put it into. Now I don't want to click at the top of the hole, I want to go down, and you can see that it's finding the bottom of the hole. I'm going to click on that red edge and then do apply. And what it's done is it's now popped the funnel into there. If I try and move it, it actually moves the whole thing together at one time. So now repeat that. I do place and I bring in the flagpole and open. And again hit escape to get rid of the other one. And I'm going to constrain the flagpole to the other part using the constraint command, insert, click on the bottom of the flagpole, click on the bottom of the hole and apply. And now what we've got is our boat fully assembled together, ready to do something with it. Okay, that's the end of the video. It's now your turn to have a go at that.